Okay, to take a look at the B&C Home Goods, the toughest toolbox liner. This one is 18 inches deep, so if you have deep drawers, you're gonna wanna get this, and it is 24 feet long. So 24 feet is a ton, so I'm probably gonna be able to do a couple of toolboxes with this. The thing that makes this one stand out amongst other liners is that it is very squishy material. And what that's going to allow us to do, when you put your tool on it, that softness is going to kind of create a wall around the tool. So it's going to have a much less chance that it's actually going to move around. And even just like that, that is a very nice feel to it. So with like a harder rubber, something like that, it would have more of a chance of being able to rattle around. They're still better than having no liner at all. But if you want the best liner, this is the one that you want. You want something nice and soft that can actually kind of imprint. You can see where my finger does that. Kind of mashes down. So that's going to create a wall around the tool so that as you're pulling that drawer in and out, it's not going to be moving all over the place. And you can kind of see the imprint of the wrench, like in a few different areas. That'll go a long way to making a more luxurious toolbox. We can also see, if you look a little closer, it has this kind of squared off look to it. So that kind of looks like graph paper, and you can use that to help cut straight lines, or even just to help organize your tools if you're obsessive like I am. So the first drawer I'm going to be putting this in is going to be 19.5 inches long. I'm going to go just under 19.5, just so I don't have any wrinkles. And you can do this with scissors. I just find that a good utility blade is almost always preferable. There we go. Okay, that is a perfect fit. And you can tell already, this just makes the toolbox look a lot cleaner. So I am very happy with that.